Station 4 was focusing on viscosity, okay? And before I get into viscosity and lava, we need to talk a little bit about the difference between the two. Because magma and lava are not the same thing. Magma is heated melted rock that is still inside a volcano. And it is not the same. Magma is deep, it's underneath the earth, there's little oxygen, there could be no exposure to oxygen, so it behaves differently. It is hotter, it has more dissolved gases. When it comes out of a volcano, in any type of eruption, that's when it turns into lava. It's not very happy when it comes out of a volcano, so it cools very quickly, gases escape from it, and it takes on characteristics that now change it to lava. So magma is inside the volcano, lava is outside the volcano. That's one of the main differences I want to talk about. And here you have some cool pictures of lava flow, all right, in Hawaii. Very hot, very, very hot lava. Just remember that's melted rock, okay? And it takes a large amount of heat to melt a rock. Now, for Station 4, if we go back to that, we had to determine something called viscosity. Viscosity is just the ability of a fluid to flow, of a liquid to flow, okay? And again, looking at this picture here, you can see that both of these things have a different viscosity. One is moving and flowing very slowly, that looks like molasses or syrup or something like that, and this is water. Water has a low viscosity. All right, which means it flows very quickly. Syrup has a higher viscosity. It moves and flows very slowly because the molecules stick together more. So that's the difference. So some lavas have a high viscosity. Some have a lower viscosity. And that really helps us to determine the type of volcano and the type of eruption. So if you're looking here, which you guys did, you can see that, you may have done like water, olive oil, and, your syrup type things or molasses would have more, viscosity or higher viscosity. And that's what you had to answer down here. Now, viscosity determines the eruption. Eruption determines the type of volcano. And I'll discuss that in closer detail in the next station.